Saloni Verma kepada Deputy Secretary Khnang Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, habai keren bikinong tok kubor, kala pensyai bakam dan kanu-kanu ke Jingkang Lat nak Sorkar Pedang, halor ke gas chat jingshat ke bapenan kami kilong yiel. Da ke bakado domestic LPG kam syamla syakta. Long bagi Sorkar jela ke Sorkar Pedang bagi company penyang ditemu ban pentikna bagi jing penbiang ya ke gas chat jingshat kilong yieng tan amsange. Ketenat kelai ke jingkain ban pensyai basyuak katwe trek ulber ke jingdan kami ke gas chat jingshat ke jela ke long kumbah 100,000 ado henyo hajar teli selenda malagasni. Nado bami ijing kerdo ke Sorkar kerang penbiang hi kumbasan hajar ado henyo hajar teli selenda malagasni. Kelong bagi jingdan ki kendram bagi jing yang lain ki dukan samgas kedai namar bagi breu ki penstat benle ke EKYC bat ki kot ki slai ke badan kam om namar ke jing kerdo. Ketenat ke lepen pau bagi jing kerdo ka commercial LPG. Kelajar nama ke jing kanglat ke Sorkar Pedang babarok ke jela ke niok tang arpo nak sispa na ke bahak ke bagi juyo. Kani kerja namar ketema ke Middle East kebal penuwit ke jingwanra ke gas chat jing chat India. Meghalaya nak shi hajar teli ke selenda ke badan kam malagasni ke jela ke layo tang arspa teli malagasni. Kani kelak ta ajur ya kidukan kibadi ya kerja bakasha ke hotel bagi restoran namar bagi Sorkar ke penbor ban penbiang nengkong syaki hospital bagi jaka pulih. Hadin kerjanya kerana pedang ke Sorkar jela bagi Sorkar pedang mentaga bahak jangka commercial LPG kelakio syakah nyopo nak sispa. Ketenat food and civil supplies ke kentu ikipat ba ban am sngutiang bat ban am pensapriang iki kubor hamsaya ki baklam dalak ban pensisha. Ke Sorkar ke laburu iki komiti iki distrik ban Peitngor bat bod dia ni ke Rukom sam ya ke gas jing syat man lagasngi Khnang bakan amdon kanu-kanu ke jingtut.
My understanding, and this is the department's understanding, out of the 1,000 commercial cylinders that we get, around 760, 750 are used just for East Khasi Hills. And this is the great chunk of tourism and, hospitality and so on and so forth. And like I already mentioned, given that East Khasi Hills only needs 750, as a state we've been getting 300 and 400. So I'm sure that there are adverse impacts of this. Having said that, in our conversation with IOCL and with OMCs, we've been told that they are trying their best to manage demands in the sense, coordinating with educational institutions and hospitals to ensure that TK, yours is 100%, but still, let's see how much we can prioritize our tourism also. So it's a fine line, it's a developing situation, it's a tightrope. We have not personally been apprised of these shutdowns, so we don't have that data yet to answer you very clearly, but rest assured that we are definitely doing our 100% to ensure that from what we have, please appreciate this is a developing situation. So from what we have, we are trying our best to give as much as we can to as many. And this is assessment at two levels. One is at the directorate level, which is the department level. We have a network of sub-inspectors and inspectors, and other is at the OMC level, which is primarily IOCL for Meghalaya. We have seen that reports of black marketing and hoarding for Meghalaya are negligible, close to nil. However, and that is because here two things have been done very consistently. One is that this EKYC is being implemented in full letter and spirit to ensure this black marketing does not happen, right? When you do EKYC, then only you can get your cylinder. Nobody else can get what is yours. So that's the first step, this EKYC and DAC system to ensure there's no black marketing. And secondly, what I've also been told by the OMC, IOCL, since they also have their foot soldiers, seeing what's happening, at the commercial level, in our state, most commercial beneficiaries are using commercial cylinders only. They have been able to enforce that so that, domestic cylinders are not wrongfully being diverted for commercial reasons. So I think those are the two responses I can give you. Let's say Government of India has given a direction. So we instantly activate our district level committees, right? Where the deputy commissioner who has their hands and their arms and their ears on the ground, eyes and ears on the ground, they're getting information from all sources, from all places. They enjoy a certain legitimacy. They are activating our fair price shop level vigilance committees, our Rangbash Nongs, who are constantly feeding all information to deputy commissioners. In that committee, you also have representatives from the police, from other educational institutions, so on and so forth. So that is a very active and vibrant committee which is meeting almost every day. We are getting daily reports from those committees and we are mandated to transmit them to the Government of India. And similarly, at our level, since this is a special situation, we have activated all ends as needed. It's a multi-departmental cooperation that is happening, and rest assured that we have good connections, in fact very good communication with the oil marketing companies. So whatever directions are needed, we are implementing them with full gusto.